Yo, starting off with Earn by Time today. Current rate, we are at $17 an hour, and we got our first order. This is gonna be Champ Pizza, going 3 miles. This place might not even be open. I see the lights are on and I see somebody inside, but I don't see the open sign lit up. You guys open?
Huh?
Are you guys open?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I'm right. Turn the sign on. Yep. It's this and then a root beer. Top shelf.
Thank you. Okay, now I'm wishing that they were closed because this smells way too good. This is gonna be torture. Oh, okay. Total ended up being just under $8. Just got the next order. This is Wendy's, going 2.5 miles. I just have a DoorDash pickup for Wendy.
So it's gonna be a few minute wait on the eggs. Do you mind passing burgers ahead?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bro was not lying. It's been like 5 minutes now. Thank you. You too. Can I just confirm the name?
Wendy.
Perfect.
Yep.
Never know. Sorry.
Yeah, right? Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
Yeah, you too. Drive safe.
Thank you. Total ended up being $9 and change for that one. And we got the next order. This is McDonald's, going 2.5 miles.
Thank you.
Yeah, that was just one of those that you complete really, really quickly and don't make a lot of money on. Total ended up being $6. I just got this Walmart order, $22 going 10 miles. That sounds pretty decent to me. Apparently it's 3 orders instead of 1. Next up, we've got a Seize the Bagel. This is going 6 miles.
Alrighty.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You as well. Total ended up being just under $10. That was a good order. And we got the next one right away. This is Starbucks, going just under 3 miles. Thank you.
Thanks. Have a good rest of your day.
Total ended up being $6 and change. Not too bad, I guess. It didn't take very long, so can't complain too much, even though I want to. Next up, we've got another stacked Walmart. This one is going to be $15, going 6.5 miles. Well, I'm the only person here, so is that a good thing or a bad thing? Don't know yet. Turns out that was a good thing. That was very, very quick. Good job, everybody, all around the board. We did it. Oh, that's funny. That is really funny, actually. Really glad this took me to the wrong place. Is this even the right place? No, it's not. Bro, this GPS is, okay. Literally, where is this? Is it that place? I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. My favorite part is that there's no building numbers on this entrance. So how would you know? How would you know? Where's the elevator? Hello. So cute.
What'd you bring me? What'd you bring me?
Where'd you want these?
Just set them in there, anywhere you can find a room.
Just on the countertop?
Yeah.
Okay.
I appreciate you.
Yeah, no problem. We'd have to make a few laps because the GPS was messing around,
Yes, I know. I was watching your car go. Oh no, not that one.
That's embarrassing.
No, don't try this one.
All right, good to go.
You take care.
You have a good day. I deserve this. Can I take a cookie? Thank you. Have a good day. Again, I deserve that. Next up, we have Nectar Juice Bar. $8 going 2.5 miles. Thank you. You too. Next order just came in. This is going to be a McDonald's. $8 going 3 miles. And they just gave me an add-on order. $8 going an extra mile.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Meet at door. Okay. Apartment may be tricky to find. Okay. Just what I need. Please leave it at the front door. It's the duplex on the right. Heart, heart, heart. Why are you giving me so many hearts? Stop. Going back to McDonald's. This is $9 going 4 miles. Thank you. Oh, horses upstairs. It's always upstairs. We have a Wendy's going 2.5 miles. Thank you.
Yeah.
You too. Total was $9. Not bad. Just got the next order. We've got a Taco Bell going 2.5 miles.
Here's her drink. Are you thirsty?
No,
Whatever.
I got water. Thank you
Oh, fine.
though. Appreciate it.
All right, and stay blessed. Enjoy your
Thank
day.
you. You too. Hello. Total ended up being $8. Current time is 11:06. Current total, we are at 123, and I think I have one Uber tip that I'm waiting on, so that should bring it up to like 129, I think. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.